Hi chefs, today I'm making the most popular dish in all of Singapore. It's called chicken and rice. Typically, an entire chicken is stuffed with things like ginger and garlic and spring onions and herbs, and then it's poached. But we're using these fantastic Nestle chicken nuggets, so I marinated these in the spring onions and the garlic and the ginger. And then a secret ingredient is sesame oil. Now, the longer you marinate these, the more you're going to infuse flavor into them. They are already cooked and they already do have some flavor, so we're just amping that up and putting more flavors on top of it. Now, while traditional chicken is very popular, I'm actually certified in plant-based nutrition from Cornell University in the US. We've learned that eating too much plant-based protein, eating too much animal protein is really unhealthy. So chicken is super popular, but again, eating too much animal protein is very dangerous to your health. So this is a fantastic way that you can incorporate plant-based protein with all the flavors and still eat a traditional Singaporean dish. Singaporean? So this is a very simple dish. It does take a lot of steps and a lot of ingredients, but they're used over and over again. You do want to marinate this chicken overnight. Now next, I've made a specific type of rice that's very typical with this dish. We've also put in the rice ginger and garlic and even a little bit more sesame oil, so that's why the rice is a little bit dark. You do want to use a fragrant rice, and here the most typical one is jasmine rice. And then it's typically served with 3 dipping sauces. We have a sweet soy sauce, there's also a garlic and ginger sauce, and there's also a sweet chili sauce. So these are typically eaten with the chicken, the rice, and then it's also garnished with cucumbers and cilantro. Now, all of that information is in the recipe down below. So just click below this video and you'll see all of the recipe information, the various sauces, the chicken, and how you can bring this dish all together. Thanks, Nestle, for enabling this to be vegan so we too can enjoy this classic chicken and rice Singaporean dish that people know the world over. All right.
爸爸说我出生在60年代。